Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today we've got a treat for all the mac and cheese lovers out there. We're going to make the best mac and cheese you've ever tasted. It's creamy, cheesy, and downright irresistible. So, let's dive right in. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Now, let's check out the ingredients. For this incredible mac and cheese, you'll need 16 ounces of elbow macaroni, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of whole milk, 5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have everything ready, let's get started with the preparation. Boil the macaroni according to the package instructions and set it aside. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Once melted, add the flour and whisk continuously to make a roux. This will give our sauce a creamy texture. Gradually pour in the milk while continuing to whisk. This will form the base of our cheese sauce. Time to add the star of the show, the cheese. Combine the cheddar and mozzarella, and slowly add it to the sauce, stirring until it's smooth and velvety. Enhance the flavor with mustard powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Adjust according to your taste preferences. Trust me, these seasonings take this mac and cheese to a whole new level. Once the sauce is ready, fold in the cooked macaroni, ensuring that every piece is coated with that luscious cheese sauce. Transfer the mac and cheese into a baking dish. Show placing the dish in the oven. Pop it into the oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. And there you have it, the best mac and cheese ever. Creamy, cheesy, and oh so delicious. I wish you could taste this through the screen. Absolute perfection. Thanks for joining me today on Spice World Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Let me know in the comments if you tried this mac and cheese and what you think of it. Until next time, happy cooking!